Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. The Dashboards section in Modeliks helps you track your financial performance and keeps your management and investors informed. With dashboards, you can compare your company's actual performance versus your plan, or versus previous periods, and generate comprehensive management reports within minutes. There are several subsections within the Dashboards section. Each subsection has its own in-depth explanation video, but here is a short overview. The first tab is Actuals. In Actuals, you can input the actual financial results of your business. From there on, all relevant dashboards that you need will be automatically generated. The second tab is Financial Statements. Here, you can compare your actual income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement with your plan or previous periods. The third tab is Charts. Here, you can understand your full financial performance through charts. Understand your revenue, costs, assets, liabilities, and cash flow breakdowns, plus investor board of directors' favorites, waterfall charts. All automatically generated. The fourth tab is Single Indicators. Here, you can look at the performance of any one metric in detail. The fifth tab is Ratios. Here, you will find the 20 most relevant financial ratios that you should be tracking. All calculated automatically. The sixth tab is Custom KPIs. If you need more reports, in the Custom KPIs tab, you can build a list of any relevant KPIs and track their performance. In other words, if you just want to look at only one-page report with the KPIs relevant to you, you can build it here. The seventh tab is Custom Dashboards. In all previous sections, you can slice and dice your financial performance almost 100 reports. But, no one has the time, or wants to look at 100 charts and tables. In Custom Dashboards, you can add only the charts that you want to look at regularly. This becomes your summary dashboard, with your most important charts. And, if you need more details, you can go back to the other dashboard sections. We hope Dashboards gives you deep insight into the performance of your business and saves you 90% of your time spent on reporting. Enjoy Modeliks Dashboards to start managing your business better and more efficiently.